KVN ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಸುಪ್ರೀತ್ ಸರ್ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ KVN ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಸುಪ್ರೀತ್ ಅವರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನವರಸನ್ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ತಂಡದವರನ್ನು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಬೇಕು ವಿತ್ ಬೊಕೆ ಅಂತ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನವರಸನ್ ಸರ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ಸರ್, ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಿಗೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾದಂತಹ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಮಾಳೋಕಿ ಅವರೇ, ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್. ಮ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್. ಓಕೆ, KVN ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಸುಪ್ರೀತ್ ಅವರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನವರಸನ್ ಅವರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಇದೀಗ ತಂಡವನ್ನು ಮೈಕ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
Do the lights have to be so bright because we can't see them?
Yes. Lights on ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ light. Yes. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Okay na? Is this okay?
Okay. Thank you.
How? Okay.
Oh yeah.
It's much. Oh, I can see people there. Hi.
Hey, hi.
Namaskara.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಹಾಂ, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಮೈಕ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್.
ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ಸರ್,
Sir.
ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು.
Hi, sir.
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಈ ಗೆಟಪ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ? ಈ ಗೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ
ಡೇಸ್ ಯು ಟುಕ್?
Full movie, sir.
No,
For
for
how
the
many?
preparation.
For the preparation.
Hairstyle and everything.
I think about to grow and all of that. I think about 3 months. 3, 4, 5, 6 months maybe. Because actually we. 6 months actually. Started and cut panna, we grew it, and I lost weight. I was really nice and healthy, like my friend here, my PRO, but not as handsome. And that was the physical part. The mental part took longer. For me, I always like to get ready before the shoot, and we used to speak a lot, and we didn't talk about my character. We spoke about other things, about ideologies, about politics regarding the movie, about the system, social inequality. And what struck me then was this is not something that is, if you just see this, like when you see the song, I thought it's such a Tamil song. And then I saw it in Hindi and suddenly I was thinking, wow, it's actually like a Hindi song. When I see it in Kannada, it is a Kannada song. In Malayalam, I think all of us looked like this at that time. We were all like this. It's just that now we've changed a little and each state has a different costume or whatever. So anywhere in India, I think people will be able to identify with the story. In everybody's house, in your house, there will be a grandfather or a great-grandfather who's had something done to them during the colonial times, who'd had some form of maybe joy, maybe sadness, whatever. So everybody will be, I'm sure, able to resonate with something like this. And I was taken up with all that, and then getting into the character, like Ranjit was always there. From the very beginning, it took us about 2 to 3 days before we kind of, got into that groove, wherein he didn't have to tell me, that place, don't do this, don't do that. And it was a flow after that. And but it was very difficult, like Malavika said. She forgot the scorpions. The funny thing is, he will be shooting and he'll say, hey, ஒரு பாம்பு எடுத்துட்டு ஒரு பாம்பு 3 scorpions எடுத்துட்டு தேல் எடுத்துட்டு வான்னு. And then they'll just go lift one stone, then no, one other stone, one scorpion, one more scorpion, another stone, one scorpion. You won't believe, in 10 minutes, sunlight போகுது சீக்கிரம், in 10 minutes they'll get a snake or they'll get a scorpion. It was that way. None of us had slippers. We didn't have clothes. So fight sequences, there was no protection. We used to get hurt. Like I've broken my rib during practice. I couldn't walk for almost 3 months. First one leg. I already have a leg problem, so that got affected. Then this leg I was putting so much. That again I had a problem. I couldn't walk. I didn't tell him because he'll panic. And that is for me. But this gentleman here, he came in with already had a problem. Then it got worse. He had 2 surgeries, then he had 1 more, but he didn't do it because he needed more time to recuperate and we had to finish the film. So he shot with that and he went back, thought, damn good, it's over. And he went and he got operated, he was in bed, and then we get a call that we're changing the climax a little bit to make it more exciting. And we were like climax is when we all fight, we all got beaten. Not again, Rajin, no, shall we try? And then what he said makes sense. It was something it was very poetic. So, sorry, Mr. Dhananjay. So after that, he came back, and with that, he couldn't even walk. He fought. Way to go, Danny. And he started eating Indian food, like he was talking to you in the morning, and He loves all our food. He'll say, I only like fish, but then he says the whole thing. And he's now half Indian. Just a little more days, he'll be talking Tamil, Kannada, Hindi. And that's it, sir.
ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತೊಗೋತೀರಿ ಮೇಕಪ್ಗೆ?
4 to 5 hours. And to take off 1 hour. And it was before it was 2 hours. Then Parvati had an idea, take basil powder and, basin powder and little oil and rub it and, like how Cleopatra used to have a bath. And after that, just go wash it off. But that still took about 1 hour. And there'll be dirt, there'll be ash, there'll be gold dust. It was but putting on the makeup, the scars, tattoos, all of that took time. And for her, it was again tattoos. She had red makeup. She'll tell you about her look a little later, but that's...
ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ಸರ್,
Sir.
ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಹಿಸ್ಟಾರಿಕಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸಿದಿರಲ್ಲ?
That is why they are there, no? That's why I always say, you see, I feel Pitamagan is a character which Bala, when he thought of, he's such a great guy that there's no person who exists like Pitamagan. If you actually do you think, there are different type of people, but somebody like that who's away from society and he becomes something else, and he's a character he imagined. Likewise, in Aparajit, there is a thing, there are people with that problem, but still, how to do it commercially. And then now in Tanglan, there are people, there have been people, in fact, all of them were Tanglans, right? So the director, when he thinks, I think, every time I thought, okay, I've done only historical character I have to do, that also I've done, don't know what more to do, but then he comes up with Tanglan. It's like that. You just keep, like how we are pushing boundaries, I think a director and a story writer is always trying to get, across a new boundary.
ರಂಜಿತ್ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ KGF ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಿ ಆ ಥರದ್ದು ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ? ನೀವು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಬುಕ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಕತೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಲ್ಪನಿಕನ?
Is KGF movie inspired you, or he's asking which book you refer?
I read a lot of research work, what they made about a KGF gold mine. Not only that book, Kolar Gold Mine, that small book, it's wrote by, it's wrote in Tamil language. After that, I read some English articles also, and we made a lot of research work, a lot of research work, so that then we came to know about historically what happened in KGF Kolar mine and how it's people found that gold, what is the backstory, how colonial system happened at that time, how people suffered trying to get a gold. So that story, it is not getting story. I found I got a lot of research material, so I wanted to try make a story in a fine way. And also people who not only historically happened a lot of things, but and also people have some interesting stories, mythological stories. So that also excited too much to me. So I trying to connect historically and also the mythologically people what they believed, and I created the whole story about that historical and mythologically. So it is came after that like kind of a fantasy movie. So the movie, it's a deal like historical and also mythologically and fantasy also. So it is an interesting thing happened after that. So that is drama. I love drama, but I don't want to give
drama with all the actors.
I don't want to make like a more drama. I just follow what I made my movies. No, it's all under a realistic cinema. Realistic. I'm using it's very little dramas only, but in real life, lot of drama happened in that land. So it is not easy to shoot and easy to write and then shoot. It is too difficult. So I wrote a little bit. So I'm trying to make that things so you can connect with the drama. Yeah.
This is Harshavardhan.
Sorry.
Hi, this is Harshavardhan, sir. ರಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಮೂವೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಈ ತಂಗಲಾನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಎಷ್ಟರಷ್ಟು ರಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ?
Percentage, the movie it is deal like magical realism. It is a realism is there, and also some magical also I adding something like that. So the movie, it is not only realistic. So people who thought about the land, no, it's a lot of things happened that people who thought like it is happened by nature, and also it's happened by some ghost thing, some mystical things happened by that issues. So I took it. It's all things. So the magical thing and the realistic thing also I deal it. So 80% magic is there, so realistic is there, and 20% it's a magical realism is there.
ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ.
So
ಪೊನ್ನಿಯಿನ್ ಸೆಲ್ವನ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ನಾನು ಇದೇ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ತಂಗ್ಲಾನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪದದ ಅರ್ಥ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ತಮಿಳಿಯನ್ಸ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ತಂಗ್ಲಾನ್. ಆಸ್ ಅ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ.
Even I don't know. Tanglan is the name of a. What is your name?
Harshvardhan.
Mr. Harshavardhan. Tanglan is like that.
Okay.
But Harshavardhan can be, it's a king, right? But Tanglan is, that's a community.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ನೇಟಿವಿಟಿಗೆ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಬಳಸಬಹುದಾಗಿದೆ.
We were going with the name. It's like what do you say, like RRR or whatever. There's no, it's just the name of a person.
Yes, I know.
But also I did. Yeah. See, even Bahubali is not. It's just a name. It's a character. So it's like that. It's just a name. It's not about the nativity. I think it's the
it's
name.
It's a noun, completely noun. It's a name only. And also we can understand that it's a people leader. So there is no need to change like name, I think. People who really easily connected, I think.
And what do you call gold?
Chinna.
Yes? Yeah. I can't hear you. So can you give him the mic, please?
Gold in.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's how Tangalan is.
No, Tangalan is not because it's gold. We said there's a community which is called Tangalan. There's a name called Tangalan.
Okay.
But to the year, it also certain people can hear it as gold. But it's not named because of gold.
Tangalan is a community, is it?
It's a name.
It's a
Name of the person with
Yes.
the lead role.
Yes, sir.
No. You said there is a community.
Yeah, there is
called-
also a community. There's
community leader,
He's a community
going to lead a people, no, we call the Tangalan. So we have a traditional like that.
There in KGF or what?
In a KGF, near KGF, the district in Velur and Vepur, very close to that Tamil areas, no. So these people, no, they'll they call a people leader. It's a Tangalan. Tangalan, it's a
proper noun.
Yeah.
So.
Hi, this is Pramod Hegde. Apart from the place, the KGF, how can Kannada people resonate with this movie?
The Kannada people also, it's they'll involved also finding try to the gold in a colonial system, and the three language of people deal that problem. Not only Tamilians, in Telugu and also Kannada people, that the border, no, that time, no, Warren, the British colonial system happened. That time, the Warren, no, Warren is a British officer. He came to not divide that. He wants to make the borders map. He wants to make the map. So that time, so Mysore Jilla. It's called the Mysore Jilla. Mysore Jilla, it's they who speak to Mysore Jilla. It's people speak to Telugu, Tamil, and Kannada also. There is
Like
no
how
separation.
in Bangalore you all speak all the languages.
So there is no separation. Also in Bangalore also, in a lot of people is there. So it is a mixed community lived there. So these people easily connected that.
Okay. Vikram sir, what was the reason to choose this script and act in this movie?
Does this intrigue you when you see these visuals? What do you feel? You feel there's something about it, right? Whether you know the story or not, it captivates you. So that's the visually painted in my mind. And for an actor, this is like, one, it can be scary or it can be really exhilarating. For me, it was both. Like it was exhilarating because I thought, wow, I'm going to do it. I want to do this. It was scary because, can I do it? Was the question. It was something that, I mean, he calls me again 100 times for this. To make 100 parts, I will do it.
ಹಾಯ್ ಸರ್, ಲೋಕೇಶ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ನೇ ರಂಜಿತ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳಿನ ಐಡಿಯಾಲಜಿನೇ ಬೇರೆ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾನೆ ಲಾನೆ ತಂಗಲಾನೆ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಲಿರಿಕಲ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ಲೂ ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಗ್ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಬುದ್ಧ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದು ಕೂಡ ಸಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾನ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ?
Yeah, always I wanted to make a story of mine. So people who affected by inequality, people who wants to not tell the story in that. So I just wanted to tell my stories. I just wanted to tell a story about affected by the inequality people. So easily you can connect with the Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Ambedkar choose that color Neelam, the blue. So and also Buddha. Buddha is that Ambedkar choose to go that Buddhism also. So I followed Baba Saheb Ambedkar. My thoughts, he taught me a lot to me, and so that is why my movies always deal like I want to show like colors like blue, and also I'm trying to tell stories, the people affected by that inequality. So yeah, this is what my all movies I'm dealing it.
ಸರ್ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಶೂಟ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೂ ಮೊದಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ KGF ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಜಾಗಗಳಿಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ, ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ? ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈಗ ನೀಲ್ ಅವರ KGF ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಟನ್ಗಟ್ಟಲೆ KG ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಆಚೆಗೀಗ ಚಿನ್ನ ಹುಡುಕೋ ಕೆಲಸನ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದ ಮೂಲಕ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಅಂತ?
I already told that. So Prashant Neel film is totally different. So he trying to story. It's kind of he made some drama and like the story about the KGF Rocky Boy. But I'm trying to tell the story. It's a story about Tangalan people. So Tangalan people. What is the Tangalan people happened that time? The colonial system. The problem India has faced a problem. It's a lot about not only the freedom things. It is like people affected by that caste, affected by that separation. So that is the thing. I wanted to try to tell that through that cinema.
And can I add? Okay, thanks Ranjit. That was nicely said. But I want to add that this movie, it's very different from Prashant's, Yash's KGF. That, like he said, it's very different. But the thing is, the difference is not in the way, in the genre. It's not just that. In this also, like when Ranjit is saying he's talking about oppression, he's talking about casteism, whatever. The movie is not dealing with that. What he's done is, it is actually something else. We are searching for something. He's searching for something. She is trying to do something to whether like stop our search or whatever. That is the thing. But what he's very cleverly done is he has infused all of these things. The questions that you ask will be there. Like through the film, you will know that this community or this people at that time in India, all over India, were facing that. All of us, we faced untouchability. All of us, the nation has thing. But that is not the story. That is a vein that goes. You can't shoot a film in that time. Suppose you had shot Tangalan and it was only the search for something and not touch that. It will not be real. So he's created a scene. It's like I keep saying, like Titanic. What is Titanic about? Is it about the ship? No. It's about the love story. Two beautiful people. They could have been in Bangalore. One could have been in Bangalore. One could have been in another state. Correct or not? But where you put that love? It could be in North Pole. It could be in Africa. So like that, he's put it. His story is another story which he's put there. But he has been true to that in the sense that everything that we are talking, what you asked, will all be there, but it won't be, take it, open your mouth. No, it's there. You know that, that was happening. Oh, yeah, right, that's happening. Like now, suppose, let me say I come and I shoot something here. I'll have to add your little, maybe, I can't be eating like dosa, of course, you'll get here, right? Like Italy, whatever, that also you'll get here. Everybody, we have the same food. Okay, let me say like Punjab. I'm shooting in Punjab. I can't be sitting in a hotel and eating Italy. Correct or not? You'll suddenly feel odd. So that Italy will be there. But the movie is not about the Italy. It's about those gundas who come to beat up this guy and this guy is trying to protect that girl. And you understand? So that is the way the movie is. But that's not, I'm making it sound very light. But it's not that. It is a very, when you see it, it will affect you. It will touch you somewhere. But you won't be thinking, oh God, this is happening. Oh my God, they're having pain. Oh my, it's not that. It's an exciting film. It's like a crazy film. Like you just think, like I don't know, I mean, I'm jumping genres, but let's say Raiders of the Lost Ark. Suppose it wasn't that time, and the hero, I mean, Harrison Ford is actually Tangalan. What could happen? That's the story, right? Thank you. I hope I answered your question. We did. Thanks.
ರಂಜಿತ್ ಸರ್, ಈ ವಿಜುವಲ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ CG% ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಒಂದು, ಎರಡನೇದು ತುಂಬ ಟ್ರೈಬ್ಗಳು ಕಾಣ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು 3-4 ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟ್ರೈಬ್ಗಳು ಇದ್ದಾಗಿದೆ ಹೊಡೆದಾಟ ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೀನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಜವಾದ ಟ್ರೈಬ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಲ್ಪನೆಯ ಟ್ರೈಬ್ ಇವರ, ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ KGF ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಟ್ರೈಬ್ಗಳ ಅಂತ?
No, it's not. Imaginary is there, but real people. It's story about the real people only. These people lived that time in KGF, so I wanted to try. I wanted to tell about the real people.
And I'm sorry, just to add to that also, Tangalan is from the colonial times. I think you're asking because the other shot where I'm walking and all red and all that, right? And the others, there are different generations which goes back to 2000 years back, when we really don't have an idea what it was. You get it? I think that's what it is. So it's not, you may think, oh, those people, it's a different time altogether. So there are, I go through about like 10 generations in the film. You understand? So that difference will be there. CG?
Yeah, CG is there. Yeah.
CG is there, but yeah.
Yeah, 10%. I think it's a very realistic movie. We're trying to add some exciting thing, and also people who thought like imaginary things, a lot of things, and people believed a lot of mythological story. Mythological, it is not like it's a realistic, right? It is kind of a creative process, and also they had a lot of stories about an ancestor Vaya. So that story wanted to tell. No, that story, it's a lot of depend on CG. So 20-25% it will be, it is there in CG, I
but
think.
He felt that has to be added because after reading the book, when he went to those places, they had these stories, no, which you wanted.
Yeah.
Vikram sir, namaste sir. Here, Ravi here from Kannada Picture. And namaste, Malavika ma'am. Doing commercial films and doing based on true event films, what is the exact difference between the layer? And you people are keep on running the based on true event stories, especially Vikram sir. Why exactly? Why?
I didn't understand the second part of your question.
Doing commercial films and doing based on true event films, there is a strong layer is there.
So I do more raw films, you're saying?
Yes, exactly. What is the main core point?
No, for me,
people are doing
as an actor, I always felt I was doing, even now I do commercial cinema and I do very realistic and raw cinema. But I always will think both the films come together. Why not make a realistic commercial cinema or like really mainstream cinema which is so real? And I think the answer is here. When you see the film, you'll understand. It is so raw, but it'll be so commercial. What is commercial? I mean, anyway, Kantara is commercial. It is commercial, but it is a raw film, right? But why is it commercial? Because it reached everybody. It's a wider range. So that becomes commercial. It's not about what genre the film is. It is how impactful or how much you reach. See, now KGF is a commercial film, but Kantara didn't start like a commercial film. But the reach was so great because you actually touched everybody. Everybody wants to see it. Then it becomes commercial. So like that, you could do anything. This movie we are trying to evoke, we are trying to create a situation where people will want to see this, which should make it commercial.
Hi, Malavika. Welcome back to Bangalore. We have seen you in 2016, Nanu Mattu Varalakshmi. We have seen you most of in glamour roles and girl next door roles. Now you are doing a glam tough role. So how challenging for you to accept this role and to prepare to this character?
Like you said, I was most of the offers I was getting also were a certain genre of films, which is lovely. Like I want to continue doing that, but I was hungry to, I wanted to some of my favorite actresses I have grown up watching. I have grown up loving. Sri Devi, Shobhana ma'am, Urvashi, Malayali actress, so Madhuri Dixit. So many of them they've played their filmography is so versatile. They've played so many diverse roles, and at the end of the day, that's the only way to grow. That's the only way to get better. That's the only way to explore yourself as an actor, to reach different kinds of people, do different genres of films. You do just one type of film or one type of role, it gets boring, and you also don't explore. So I was at a stage where I wanted to work with good filmmakers and play well-written and really interesting roles directed by a good maker. And it was at that point, like I keep saying that, this film came my way, we crossed paths, and I was like, I want to do this. I did have a thought initially, the first time I got into the get-up, into the makeup, and I looked into the mirror and I was like, who is this, how are people going to react to, people are so used to seeing me a certain way that thought did cross my mind, but it was a very fleeting moment. And the moment I got on set and I realized the caliber of what this role could be, what the ways in which it's going to challenge me, I never had that thought again. It was just about cracking the character right, being opposite someone like Vikram sir. Like physically, we had a lot of action sequences together, and he's so fierce on screen, so powerful, so all the superlatives basically, he's all of that. To match up to that power in terms of physicality, girl, I've never done stick fighting in my life, I've never done an action role. To play the stunts, to bring in that power in a believable way, that was one of my biggest challenges. And if I didn't get that right, nobody would have believed that she's able to hit him. It will look fake on screen. So I loved how it was very hard. Yes, I had a lot of meltdowns on set. There were days I was like, I don't know if I'll be able to do this. But here we are today, so close to release, and I hope that I've done a good job. So it's a character that it's a character that I like, the kind I always wanted, that serendipitously just came my way at the right time.
Thank you so much. Last okay, ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಕೊನೆಯ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಕೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊನೆಯ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ.
In that period, all of us look like that only. Anywhere in the world, even in Africa, we look like that. South America, we look like that.
ಕೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
No, sir, you will have a question, sir. I will not go without you asking me a question.
Yes.
Any of it. So he's not finished, sir. So that is the thing. It's a commonality with everybody. And that's a great film, of course. But honestly, I feel ours is very different. I would like to say it's better, but I won't. it's a very, because that's our baby. So that's what I'll feel. But it's a very different film. It's like see, you're actually asking, is it like KGF also, right? KGF, no, I'm saying, is it, no, not you. Someone was saying, no, I'm saying where we inspired from KGF, because KGF is, when you see it, you know they're different films, right? So when the doubt comes there, when you have two people not wearing clothes, you'll think obviously there is the similarity, I'm saying. Huh? Thank you. How sweet. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Vikram sir, last question.
Sir, 1-6, gentleman. No. Yes, sir. The producer, sir? So he's also a producer on this film, sir.
Oh.
Sorry, sir. No, now you... Yeah, he's also... There are two producers. He's one of the producers. And because we want to save money for the film, we've cancelled one ticket. So he's taking care of the film. But thank you for being concerned. We'll tell him that you're worried. Say, sir. Yeah, he's also. Neelam Productions is his. Yeah, that... Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, please. He's, why do you think I'm so friendly with him? He has to pay me. There's one last payment that's got to come, so. So one. I didn't do, sir, because last time I did, but a little. But what happened is no, I did only little, I didn't do too much. The thing is, this is very authentic. We're trying to do that. If I dub, there'll be a little, there may not, it not be pure. We want pure gold. So,
Vikram sir,
ಇದು ರಿಯಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್
ರಿಯಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ you're a rock star, man.
Vikram sir, ಈ ಗೆಟಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್
you want to ask a question? Yeah,
ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ.
Sorry sir,
ಈ ಗೆಟಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ.
My family they laughed.
ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
They laughed, okay? They laughed, rolling laughter. But for that, how I will explain is, I have one hairdresser who is there. She's from North India, but she prays a lot and all that. So the first sequence he took was, I had a dhoti till here, no shirt. She didn't know this. She came and when she saw me and I had this gown, I took it off and I was not having a shirt. She was so shy. She was saying, sir, okay, sir, okay, sir, I'm doing. And she was standing far away and, okay, done. No, he was saying, no, little more. Okay, sir, that's the first day. Second day, third day, fourth day, my dress started going up till it became like that. She also, okay, sir, became okay, sir, okay, sir. Then in the end, I used to be wearing just that or underwear, and because 5 hours makeup, 8 people, including her, were doing my hair. Everybody's working on me. And there is one scene you saw on the thing where I wear clothes, like I'll be wearing shirt and pant you see in the horse, where I'm coming, and with a gun also I come in the song. That day I was sitting there and they brought that costume. And she said, what is this? Vikram sir's costume. And she started rolling on the floor. You're going to wear that? And she's rolling. I said, Ozzy, you're actually finding that funny? Yeah, it's so funny. How will you? Because she got used to this other dress. So, I'm just saying. That was very ironical. But I think between normal clothes and that's more comfortable. You should try it at home sometime.
Hi, Vikram
Your
sir.
people will laugh at you. Don't bother. Try it.
Vikram sir, on your right. Here.
Sorry,
Kirti Patil here from Vistara News. I knew everyone has already complimented you for the transformation that you have got throughout the film. The trailer is really a breathtaking. I compliment for that. And I wanted to ask you, the question is, if you had the opportunity to collaborate with a Kannada film industry actor, whom would it be? Whom would you pick it up or prefer to work with?
No.
You, sir.
A Kannada film actor or actress?
Anyone, director, producer, an actress or an actor.
Yash, Srinidhi Shetty, Prashant Neel.
Thank you,
Good answer. And they're all my friends, so I'm sorry. I was being a little... And Rakshit Shetty, of course. and Shamira, if she's there to support our films. She has been she interviewed us earlier and we really love that energy. You're doing a great job. In fact, you're giving more PR than us for the movie. Thank you so much. Very sweet of you. Danny is very impressed with you.
Oh God.
All the way from London. And please, somebody, you need to ask him a question because he's come all the way from London to answer your question.
ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಡೇನಿಯಲ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ?
Anybody wants to? Yeah. And please ask him a question that will make India proud, okay?
Yeah, question to Daniel, last one. ಅದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
Hi Vikram. We all have seen that you have put a lot of effort and hard work into the... Actually, I had a question for you. Yes, I was waiting from long time, but the mic did not come this time. Yeah. So we all have seen that there is a lot of hard work and efforts has been put into the film. But I wanted to know which was the difficult part, whether doing this film or making it reach to the people.
Convincing the press. No, true answer, sir. Because you are asking all the right questions, all the right doubts. It's our duty to, it's like his duty when he comes and says, you do this, why should I do? You tell me. I want to stand like this. Then when he said that shot, I say, I want to lie like this. No, sir, ninna sir, nalla irko. Like that, we have to convince you when you ask a question. But I hope I answer. But then, on a serious, that was a funny thing. But seriously saying, I think doing this film or films like this is very difficult. But getting it to the audience is not difficult. It has to be enterprising and you have to be innovative. You have to try really hard because you're doing something very serious. And nobody wants a message and nobody wants to see something that can be raw. You want to give it to them. So how exciting can you do it? It starts from the time he writes the story. Write well, make it exciting, make scenes that are engrossing, and that you get them involved in it, get performances that get people to believe that it's really happening. And then finally you have the film, but now you just have to tell them that this is what it is. And so give them little leaks, teasers, trailers, and the job's done. I hope we are doing a good job, or maybe should we try harder? Thank you very much.
Yes, you have. Super, thank you. Yes.
This is Ranganath from Namake FI. You've also worked with Hollywood movies and you've started your journey in Indian films. So how differences, what is the difference that you find actually with the Hollywood movies and with the Indian movies that you've worked with?
That's a very good question. Indian movies, like Indian culture, is energized, colorful, passionate, visceral. It's magnetic, it draws you in. It doesn't matter what film it is, there's always an underlying energy in Indian cinema. I think we've lost that in the West a little bit. I really do believe that. I feel that Indian cinema is on the verge of becoming the most powerful industry, film industry in the world. I think that is connected to cinema because, you know, as Chian's saying, you want to make that film. You know, cinema makers in India are thinking about those cinema-going public who have to spend sometimes very hard-earned money to go with their families to the cinema. You know, and they want to give them something. They want to give them something and they make sure that people are coming to the cinema. So a filmmaker like Pa Ranjit has to think, I have to do something special. Whereas in the West, we've lost a lot of our cinemas. It's become about streaming. So that's just content. So Indian cinema for me is still in an amazing place. You've got amazing filmmakers, a thriving cinema industry. It's exciting, and I feel excited genuinely to be part of just a little part of Indian cinema history, and for Pa Ranjit to have cast a British actor who, I mean, I've never seen it before. Maybe a lot of the media might correct me here, but I don't think anyone's ever told me that there's been a British parallel kind of lead in an Indian film. There's been lots of British actors, but the roles are usually very similar and quite small. So Pa Ranjit had this vision about just you know, making things a bit more international. So that's really interesting. And I think Indian cinema is one step away. Once it goes international in terms of its storytelling, then there's nothing Indian cinema, Hollywood will, it can't compete. You can't compete with Indian cinema. It won't be able to compete. The numbers won't be there because Indian cinema now internationally is getting the numbers as well. I hope that makes sense, just what we're saying, yeah? So yeah, I'm really excited to have been part of this, really.
Thank you. Thank you so much once again. ಎಸ್ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೆ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೀಮ್ ತಂಗಲಾನ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಜೆನ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು